Okay, guys. So far we have created Django project folder, right? So next one we want to create Django app. What is the meaning of app? That is first thing we want to create that is active a new student, like a student. We want to just imagine app is a student joining the in the college. Okay. So but the principal allow cannot build website, right? But the principal alone cannot build a website. If it is only principal is in your campus, it's not like it's a college, right? So we have to create students as well. So we admit a talented students like you named my app. We can name with them student name is my app, right? And next one, that command we can use this to create any apps. There are multiple apps are there. We can create a multiple app, but one project. We can create only one project, multiple apps. So Python, this is the command, Python's command, and this is my app. Nothing but one student. We are creating a student into the campus college. So, he is a smart like you and ready to build all the web pages of college. Okay, so what we have to do first, we will create this app. So far, it is not created. Just college and environment is created, but we are not created. Just copy and paste over here. Just paste over here my app app. So when I'm clicking on enter, automatically it will create one of the student. That student name is my app. And this is the college. College in the college, my app is a one of the student. So we are create a student as well, right? But what is happening here? What will happen? Uh, Student name is college records. What is the next step? I'll show you the story. We had to inform to the principal because of new students are came. Student are is registered. Every student must be officially registered with the college. Is it right? So in college, in college folder, setting.py, setting.py is there. In the college setting back, just scroll up. You can see this install. All install app will be registered in this particular place. So we should be informed. We should be informed. One of the student is joined. New student is joined. That student name. What's the student name, guys? You can comment in the in chat box. So that student name is my app, right? My app. We should register with the college, that student. Otherwise, it is not our student, it's other, others college student. So if it is our college student, should be registered with our uh, college, right? The first we have to reach. This is called as the registration of the app, and everything. Now the what if you write like this? We thought that college is a principal, right? Now the principal recognize my app as a real part of the institution, our college. This is the part. Okay. Okay. So far this is good, right? So next one, I want to create a function-based view. Uh, when we are running the college, it's automatically showing the starting page only. It's showing like a rocket, but I don't want to display the rocket. I want to display whatever the information I am giving in the app. It should be coming first page. So the first thing is setting app. This is first thing registration, and second go to the my app. In the my app, create first view. Create a view. That view is Django, from Django HTTP importer and HTTP response. I want to create a function. That function name is that function name is home. My function name is home, and this home is belongs to the views. Once again, remember that we are creating a function with and that is belongs to the views, right? So just save. And after that, after creating one function, I want to go first to tell to URL. But you can see this in my app, no URLs are there, no routers are there. So we should create one new file with the name of urls.py. Manually, we have to create this urls.py in any apps. Okay. Now, what I'm telling, okay, if you don't know the code of URL, just go to the my college. In the my college already there. So just copy that code and go to the your app, my app URL and paste over there. But I don't want this first step. I don't want, I'm not creating, sorry, still something I missed, right? I not copied properly. So college and copying complete this 4 lines. Yes. And going to the URLs and pasting over there. And I'm not creating admin in my app. So next one, okay, this so far is good, right? Now we have to be import all views. Whatever we are created a views, we should be informed to the routers. So how to write that one from dot and import all the views. Whatever the functions are, whatever the views are there, please from views, please import into my particular router. And the starting page, I told you, I don't want to display the rocket. So I'm deleting this one and the starting page only. I want information. I give information to the router. Please take from views Please take from use that home one when the home page will run. Please take views from the home function, and the name is home. And why actually we are giving a name? If you want to give a navigation bars, for example, in HTML, we are using an anchor tag, right? In anchor tag href, when the href is there, we are specifying the uh, particular page file name that like index.html like that. But in Django, not like that. It's a very difficult framework, but we can do that next step. For that, for the navigation part, we are using this name. For the navigation bar, we are using this name. So this is done. First, we have created views and we have created URLs and we inform to the all. If it is this will run, please go to the views and open and display this thing from home. We are informed to inform from app is okay, but still the principal doesn't know. Principal is nothing but college, right? The principal also we should be registered. Principal also we have to be registered. So go include, write down capital letters, include, just write down include. Who will include? I want to include my app include. I'm telling to the URL, the router, if it is a home page will come, if home page will execute, please include whatever URLs are there in my app, whatever URLs are, please accept. I'm taking the permission from the principal. So far it is good. Now what we'll see, we are going to run this application. Already we know that the command, which command it is to run the command? This is to run the command, right? Run our server. So just going to there and clicking on center, you can see this URL, copy this, and any browser, you can take any browser. I'm taking in my browser. Okay. So where is my browser? I hope, where is my browser? No, 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 no. Come on. Okay. So this is running, but it's not correct, right? So I'm pasting once again and entering once again. See this. You got your answer. You got your answer. Where from it is coming? I'll show you. Whatever we are given in my app, we are written a view. Whatever the view is there, that view is from here. Where is that? One minute, please. We are informed to the views. Please, when the home page will come, please display this information. This information is coming in this place, right? So the URL, this is URL. When we coming to the URLs, so we are already informed here. If the home page is welcome, please go to the view and open the home function, right? That's why it is now we are getting this output. Now we are not getting a rocket. Whatever we are written in my views, it's automatically redirect to the URLs and URL redirect to the views. This is the uh, we have created a project with the name of college. We have created an app with the name of my app, and we are basic configuration done. We created only one function and one routing, that is home page. And this complete process, when we are creating any functions, with the function only we are displaying the information. But it's not possible to decorate our website pages, right? So we will see the next step, that is a template view. In the template view, we will create lot of HTML pages, CSS, and JavaScript as well, and we can create beautiful web pages. So this part is called, when we are creating only function and when we are return this thing, this is called as a function based view. We are creating a function based view. Okay. Okay. We will touch you with the next.